How I got my Google Ads account suspended in 24 hours, learn from my mistakes. So don't do what I did in that sense. Hi there, I'm Liezl Smith, and today I'm sharing how I got my Google Ads account suspended within 24 hours, a new record I think, and what I did wrong so you can skip the frustration and move straight to the success. Have you tried running Google Ads before and thought this should be so easy, and then only to end up overwhelmed or worse, suspended? Here's what happened to me. I set up my ad, had a video ready, chose my audience, and hit publish. Less than 24 hours later, my account was suspended. The reason? Circumventing systems. I had no clue what this even meant at first, but thanks to some research and some help from AI, I now understand exactly where I went wrong. Let me break it down so you can avoid the same headaches, because it's kind of irreversible when you get suspended. There's no way to contact Google unless somebody else knows of a way to contact Google. I have not been able to. Please leave it in the comments if you know how to contact Google where you can speak to a human. So these are the top mistakes I made with my Google Ads, and so you don't have to. Please don't do them. Number 1, I use different links in my video and my ad setup. The links I put in the actual video were different from the one I submitted with the ad, and that was a red flag for Google. Google does not like it. So my tip is keep everything consistent, same link in your video, your ad copy, and your landing page. And my mistake was my links were the same, but I had more links in my video. So only have one link in the video that you're using for the ad. And number 2, I didn't use my own domain. I used a shared landing page, not a domain I personally owned. And Google wants transparency and ownership. So the tip here is invest in your own domain and host your landing page there if you want to run ads. It builds trust and it keeps you compliant with Google's policies. Number 3, I updated my links after publishing. Don't edit anything after you've published. I made changes to the destination link after the ad was approved. And that's a no-no in Google's eyes. So the tip here is don't touch your destination after approval, unless you want to restart the whole review process. And number 4, I ignored the finer details in Google's policies. I skimmed their policy guidelines instead of reading them carefully, and that wasn't smart on my behalf. My tip is know the rules, especially around circumventing systems, misrepresentation, and what your landing page must include and not include. If your ad account gets suspended, it doesn't mean you failed. It just means it's time to get smarter. And now you've got the inside scoop from someone who's been through it. But here's the best part. You actually don't have to pay for ads at all. There is another way, and I'll show you how. I've created a school group where I teach moms like you, or anybody, even if you're not a mom, how to run totally free organic ads that you can post on platforms like Facebook, TikTok, and more. So if you're a total newbie and you've never had an online business, this is for you, this space. So what you'll get inside is done for you scripts. That means I'll literally tell you what to say in your ads. You'll get day-by-day training and step-by-step action plans. And yes, you can actually get paid using these methods. You'll make money from them. So come join the school group and learn how to run ads that cost $0 and bring in income that you can count on. The link is in the description, so have a look there. And if you've really enjoyed this video, then make sure you check out this video up here where I will explain more about why school group is so great instead of an email list. So thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe and drop a comment. if this helped you in any way to avoid any mistakes. And don't forget to join the school group. I'll personally welcome you, and you can get started on the first day of training. Bye for now, and here's to ads that don't drain your wallet but grow your income instead.